Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to duplicate objects in Sketchup. So the first basic way that you all would be knowing is Control C and Control V, and you can just place it wherever you want. You can again press Control V. You can press Control V as many times as you want. But what if you want to duplicate multiple times that object? So basically, let's consider that I want to keep this on the distance of 5,000 mm, and I want like this 10 in a row. So what are we going to first do is we are first going to select the object that we want to duplicate, and then we will press M, that is a shortcut for move. Then we will press control, which will give us the sign of the plus that you can see, and then we will lock the axis of the path that we want our object to be duplicated on. And after that we will type the distance, press enter, and then now we want this to be repeated 10 times, right? So then we are going to write 10x and enter. So now all the objects will be duplicated the times that you had given your number to be. So this actually makes the modeling very fast. So just press move, press control, lock the axis, lock the distance that you want your object to be, and then just type the number you want the object to be. So just step 10x and just press enter, and your objects will be simply uh, duplicated as many times as you wanted it to be. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it. In this video, we learned about how to duplicate objects in SketchUp. So this is the most easiest way of doing stuff. You can actually also make stairs very easily using this. If you don't know how to do it, I have made a special video on how to make stairs in SketchUp. That is also very easy, so you can go check it out that also. So if you like the video, then you can share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.